How to create or get a WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can create a WorldRemit account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create or even get a WorldRemit account, just visit worldremit.com and then make sure that you set this type of interface where, first of all, if you have an account, you can click the login button here, but if you don't, then you have to just click the sign up button that you can find from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then once you click the sign up option from the top right, you're going to land on this page over here where you simply need to select from which country you'd like to send money. After you do that, you just want to make sure to enter the email address that you want to use and then make sure to choose a password for yourself. Once you've entered the email and password you want to use, click on the continue button, follow the on-screen instructions and prompts in order to successfully create an account. Now, if you already have an account, then you can just click the login option from the top right hand side. Once you click the login option, you can enter the email as well as the password, then just click the continue button from here in order to sign in to your WorldRemit account. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can create or get a WorldRemit account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.